Hi, I'm Jennie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make kimchi stew with pork. So this is ingredients. This is kimchi. And this is pork. Then tofu, some seasonings, and onion, and green onion, and chili. First, I will show you this kimchi. Look at this. This is well fermented kimchi. First, cut this one. Cut it half. And cut this part. This is, I will chop it. And also, I will use it. Chop this. Cut the kimchi. The size is just enough for a bite. Put it here. Okay, and then I will cut the tofu. Okay. And green onion. Okay, then. And this red pepper and green pepper. Okay. And here's onion. Okay, ready? The vegetables. And first, you turn on the heat. In here, you put some cooking oil. Here, we will fry this pork. Any part of pork is okay. And here you put some minced garlic, little bit, because the bad smell of pork. And here I will put some cooking oil. No, it's a cooking wine. Sorry. Cooking wine. And here, this is a chili powder. 2 spoonfuls of chili powder. But if you like a spicy one and you put more chili powder, if you're not, just 1 spoon is enough. And then stir fry. And now, here I will put the kimchi. Okay, stir fry kimchi and pork well. And here, I will pour some water. Okay, and now I'm waiting. The stew is boiling. So when they started to boil, then I will put some other vegetables and some oil. Now look at this, it's start boiling. At this time, here says the kimchi juice. So pour it, and here some fish sauce. But this kimchi-jjigae needs some more time. So when you eat nice kimchi-jjigae, and it takes time, so you boil this one about more than 20-30 minutes. Actually, I think this one is next day. Next day is the taste is better. Okay, here you put some onion. And also jjigae, kimchi-jjigae is, the kimchi is, when the kimchi is well fermented, the taste is a little bit sour. So when you feel a little too sour, and you put some sugar, and then it will be good. But usually kimchi-jjigae is good to eat, good to make with sour kimchi. It's better. And here, when you taste, and then you think that's a little bit more salty, and then here's some soy sauce. Okay, this one is perilla oil. This is my tip. For me, I love to eat kimchi-jjigae with this perilla seed oil. So I will put 1 and 2 spoons. And then lower the heat, the medium heat. And here, the last, this tofu. You put some tofu here. And this green onion and this chili. All together. Okay then. And then after that, 20 minutes, 30 minutes is you boil this one enough time. That is the tip to eat nice kimchi-jjigae. Okay, this kimchi-jjigae is ready, and I will told you if you boil longer time, then kimchi-jjigae is the taste is better. So try and have a nice dinner. Okay, bye.